Awning window installation in Eagle, Idaho is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles Eagle ID offers, you can find the perfect match for your home. Whether you prefer vinyl awning windows Eagle, Idaho, or aluminum awning windows Eagle ID, the options are endless. Custom awning windows Eagle ID provide a unique opportunity to tailor your windows to your specific needs and preferences. These windows can be designed to fit any space, offering flexibility in awning window sizes Eagle, Idaho. The customizability extends to awning window frames Eagle ID, allowing for a seamless integration with your home's existing design. Energy-efficient awning windows Eagle, Idaho are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. The benefits of energy-efficient awning windows Eagle ID include lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Awning window replacement Eagle, Idaho is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance Eagle, Idaho can prevent costly replacements and ensure your windows operate smoothly. From awning window hinges Eagle, Idaho to awning window locks Eagle ID, keeping all components in top condition is crucial. Awning window replacement Eagle ID is a straightforward process that can significantly improve your home's appearance and functionality. Whether you're upgrading to wood awning windows Eagle, Idaho, or replacing outdated models, the transformation can be remarkable. Awning window cost Eagle, Idaho varies depending on materials and features, but the investment is worthwhile. Awning window hardware Eagle ID plays a vital role in the operation and security of your windows. High-quality awning window locks Eagle ID and awning window screens Eagle, Idaho provide peace of mind and protection. Additionally, awning window glass Eagle, Idaho options include various levels of tint and thickness for added security and privacy. Awning window ventilation Eagle ID is a key feature that enhances indoor air quality. These windows allow for optimal airflow while maintaining security with robust awning window security Eagle, Idaho features. The design of awning window ventilation Eagle ID ensures that fresh air circulates efficiently throughout your home. Awning window design Eagle ID offers a range of aesthetic options to complement any architectural style. From traditional to contemporary, the awning window styles Eagle ID available can enhance your home's curb appeal. The versatility of awning window design Eagle ID makes it easy to find a look that suits your taste. Vinyl awning windows Eagle, Idaho are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows resist warping and fading, making them ideal for the local climate. Aluminum awning windows Eagle ID offer a sleek, modern look and are known for their strength and longevity. Wood awning windows Eagle, Idaho provide a classic, timeless appeal that many homeowners desire. These windows can be customized with various finishes and stains to match your home's interior and exterior. The natural beauty of wood awning windows Eagle, Idaho adds warmth and character to any space.